Well, we have a problem statement, exercise 2.7. So I'm going through it. Three capacitors of capacitance 2 picofarad, 3 picofarad, and 4 picofarad are connected in parallel. They are connected in parallel. Okay. What is the total capacitance of the combination? And determine the charge on each capacitor if the combination is connected to 100-volt supply. So this is the question, and there are two parts of this question. In first part, we need to determine the total capacitance of this combination. So let's start solving this problem. These three capacitors are connected in parallel. So total capacitance would be 2 picofarad, 3 picofarad, and 4 picofarad. So it comes out to be 9 picofarad. So C dash is 9 picofarad. As we know, when capacitors are connected in parallel, the net capacitance would be the algebraic summation of their respective capacitance. So first part we have successfully answered. Now we are focusing on the second part. So we need to find the voltage, we need to find the charge on each capacitor. So here, how much charge would be stored by this capacitor, and similarly how much charge would be stored by this capacitor, and how much charge would be stored by this capacitor respectively. So this much we need to calculate. So here what is given, capacitance of respective capacitor has already been given, and as we know, the relationship between the charge and the voltage and capacitance is like this: Q is equal to CV. So in order to calculate the value of Q, if we manage to find the value of capacitance and the value of potential difference between these 2 points, then we can calculate the value of charge. ठीक है, अच्छी बात है. तो अब यहाँ पर देखो, इन दो प्लेट्स के बीच की जो पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस क्या होगी, 100 वोल्ट है ना. अगर ये 100 वोल्ट है तो यहाँ पर 100 वोल्ट होगी और ये 0 है, तो यानी कि इन दो प्लेट्स के बीच का जो पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस है, इट कम्स आउट टू बी 100 वोल्ट. तो अगर मान लिया ये कैपेसिटर ए है, बी है और सी है, तो क्यू ए की वैल्यू क्या होगी, 2 picofarad into 100 volt. So it comes out to be 200 pico coulomb. Okay, so we can say the charge stored by this capacitor would be 2 into 10 to the power minus 10 coulomb. All right, I guess this should be the this should be the correct answer. All right, now we need to focus on second capacitor, means QB. So I'm erasing this part as we have already understood this problem statement. So now let's calculate QB. It's 3 picofarad. Q is equal to CV multiplied by 100 volt. So QB comes out to be 300 pico coulomb, or 3 into 10 to the power minus 10 coulomb. Similarly, we are going to calculate QC. 4 picofarad into 100 volt means 4 into 10 to the power minus 10 coulomb. ग्रेट. तो काफ़ी सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन था, बिल्कुल फॉर्मूला बेस्ड और ज़्यादा कुछ था नहीं. तो पोटेंशियल जो पैरेलल कनेक्शन है उसमें हमें ये बात समझनी है कि इन दो पॉइंट्स के बीच का पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस जो होगा वो वही होगा जो सोर्स का पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस है इसके बराबर होगा. यानी कि तीनों कैपेसिटेंस के जो है पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस की वैल्यू हमारी 100 वोल्ट होगी. ठीक है. और उनके कैपेसिटेंस की वैल्यू हमें ऑलरेडी पता है जो कि प्रॉब्लम में गिवन है. इस तरीके से इन दो प्लेट्स के बीच का जो है चार्ज, जो इन दो प्लेट्स पे जो चार्ज स्टोर्ड होगा उसकी वैल्यू हम कैलकुलेट इजीली कर सकते हैं. ठीक है ना. सो दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट 2.7. थैंक यू वेरी मच.